In today's video, we take you to Solvang, the Danish capital of America.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Today, we came to the town of Solvang. You can pause this and read the information on it. And they have sculptures of the founders.
Oh, Solvang founders.
So, Solvang is a Danish type town that they have set up, and all the buildings are in a Danish style. You can walk around in their shops and restaurants all over. They have a little treat here. It's called a Ibelskiver, and it's like a round Danish with pancake with raspberry topping, and you can just go around to different shops, try the different bakeries. Yeah, the town is full with multiple bakeries. A lot of them have some of the same items. Some of them have a few different items. So we've been in and out and looked at all the different bakeries and tried a few things. But it's kind of a throwback into the Danish time, or if you've ever been to Europe to Denmark or any place like that, you can come here and try it out. So just wanted to give you a little short look and tell you that Solvang is a place to come check out.
Pretty interesting.
We were here
I think it said.
in our youth. Oh, go ahead, what was
I
it?
think it said, the sign said, the most Danish place in America.
Oh, makes sense. The most Danish place in America. I remember coming here as a teenager with my aunt, and my sister remembered coming here as her aunt. And back then, a lot of the shops you went in, the shop owners and store people wore their little Danish outfits to match the time. So, but since then, it's gone a long ways, and now you don't see that. You see it in a few of the Danish restaurants, but that's about it. Not in all the shops like you used to see before. So, just wanted to share that with you. And
there's the sign, Danish capital of America.
oh, there it is. The Solvang is the Danish capital of America. So if you want to go check out something here in America that's Danish, Solvang's the place. Just wanted you to see the sign there. It says Danish capital of America. And then also show you, you can see stuff like this here. Big windmills type buildings. Beautiful structure. The architecture is pretty unique. So, come check out Solvang. All right, we finished up in Solvang. Let the passengers out, and we're headed down here to the harbor. We're gonna catch some dinner right up here along the water. So, hopefully, it'll be delish. We'll keep you posted. Figure out where we're going. Check out this cool wooden boat. It says Ranger. The Santa Barbara Maritime Museum presents that old Ranger boat. Pretty cool. Then they have look like little boat ride you can jump on right here too. Whisper Harbor Tours. And then got the Santa Barbara Waterfront Center with the Maritime Museum. Brophy Bros. And right here, this might be the spot we end up eating at. And we got the harbor right out here. So, pretty nice. So we ended up at Brophy Bros, and here's the table. Everybody here, and they just brought the food.
We had a fish place and 2 people bought burgers.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
This was just a quick look of Solvang, the Danish capital of America. We hope you enjoyed the quick look. If you haven't subscribed, push that subscribe button so you can be notified when we post our next video. This is another spot you can check along if you're in the Santa Barbara area. It's not too far from the town of Santa Barbara. Thank you and have a blessed day.